Hello friends, this is part 2 of web application development series, and in this session we will set up our system in order to start web application development. So first we have to download and install Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio Code is a free, lightweight and one of the most commonly used code editors available. So how to download Visual Studio Code? Simply type download Visual Studio Code. So this website code.visualstudio.com, open it, and depending upon the system configuration, like for Windows, Linux or Mac, you should download the version accordingly. My system is Windows 10 and 64-bit, so I will download and install this version. I have already downloaded and installed it. There is no, I mean, it's very simple installation guide, step by step installation guide. So after installation, if you see Visual Studio Code, see this Visual Studio Code. Okay, just click it. So this is the editor where you will do a coding from the session till very end session. Okay, in our next sessions we will understand like how to create a file, how to create a complete project. Okay, so that that will leave for the next session. And apart from this, there are other code editors available like Sublime Text, Atom, etc. Out of all these, my personal choice is Visual Studio Code Editor, because you may choose any of them available, it does not matter. In fact, you can do the development in simple Notepad or Notepad++ also. But code editors provide a lot of handy code formatting, shortcuts, and flexibility to make coding a good experience. Right? So that's it for the session. Thanks for listening and have a great day.